Kamangani everyone, this is Shivangi Khangaroth. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply blush, in what ways you should pick a product for your skin, and what are the techniques I love to use while applying the blush, and what are the products which I recommend you to use. So before we just get into the video, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and click on the ring bell button. In this way, you will be get notified whenever I will be posting a new video. And if you want to see the right way how to apply blush, then please keep on watching. So as you already know that blushes also come in varieties of forms, like in liquid, in powder and in cream one. So if you are also confused what product should we buy, is just you have to know about your skin type first, and then you should go ahead and buy the product. Likewise, if you have oily skin, then I will suggest you to go ahead and have a powder products. It's not just about blush, I'm saying you for the highlighter as well. And if you have normal or dry skin, then you should go ahead and have liquid or cream products. So right now I'm having two blushes with me. One is from NARS and it's in the shade Mazed. Like, if you want a bright pink color, this is the perfect blush. It not just good for the medium skin type, but it will work on dark complexion as well. And right now it's in the worst condition, but this is the best product for the oily skin also, because it stays so long. And the second product is, like, if you are a beginner, you will try to pick up product that has all kind of things in one palette, and that's why I will suggest you to have Sivana Colors blush palette. It's in the shade 01. Now actually you can see there are three types of blushes in the powder form, two types of blush in cream one, and the bronzer and the contour and the highlighter. So today in this video also I'm going to use this palette. Now first, not just jumping on the blush, I will show you first the contouring part, and then we will go ahead and have a blush. Now why I'm saying this is because contouring plays the role when you are putting blush also. So I'm going to use this Kiko Milano contouring stick, and this is in the shade chocolate. So if you have rounder face, that just means that you have to cut your face in a vertical way, that means like this. And if you have a long face like me, you have to cut it down in an horizontal way. Now just make sure that you have to blend this product in an horizontal way. Like, why I haven't told you this trick earlier on my previous videos, just because I want this to be happen with the blush only, so that it will get easier to just understand, and then just connect it with your temples. So this way we have contoured our face, and then I'm going to show you why I have shown you first contouring and then just place on the blush. And I'll be using these two shades and then just swirling it. So when we have cut it down our face in an horizontal way, if you're having a long face, then when we just smile, we got our apples. Okay, so this is how I love to do. Whenever we used to stalk also, we see some people used to just spot their blush and it's looking so weird. So that's why by having those apples, you have to just cut down that apple in an imagination. Like, so I will cut my apple from here, so I will apply on the other half like this. I will just apply my blush on the other half, and try to stretch it till here. And as you can see, it's giving more of like a clear look, fresh look. Then the leftover product, I will just place it and press it into my skin, and then just blend it. Now if you are having a rounder face, that means that you have a rounder cheekbones. So for rounder face, I will suggest you to not apply the blush on the cheekbone, and if you want to give a slimmer effect, do not just apply on the cheekbone. So again, I'll show you the technique. Just laugh it, just divide and just place the product. And the leftover product, I will try to place it. If you are thinking that if you have placed more blush, then just take your foundation brush and then settle down all your product. Now the second thing is, you used to see people try to connect it with the bridge of nose. It's good, it will give you the natural look, but what I think is the T-zone should be made so vibrant and so clear. What I think is we should go and just apply slightly above the nostrils, so to connect it in a good way, and that's all. Now why I've shown you to cut your face that way, in a horizontal and in a vertical way, is just because you get to know that yeah, this is the way you have to apply your blush also. And at the same manner, if you will cut your face in a vertical way, that means that you have to apply the blush in that specific area. And if you are cutting down your face in a horizontal way, that means that you have to just stretch your blush till here. So this is the all techniques you have to remember. And you can do one more thing is, when you are applying blush, you can just connect it with your eyes, and yeah, we are done with the blush. So now sometimes we are in hurry and we used to pick a lipstick as a blush, so at that moment you have to remember one thing more, is whenever you are using a lipstick which is glossy or which has shine into it, make sure that to make it last longer, you have to apply a powder product on that, because the lipstick won't take you throughout the day. That's all. We are done with our look. So I hope that you enjoyed this look, and if you enjoyed me watching, then please like this video and share it. Till then, I'll meet you in my next video. Bye bye, take care.